Meaning of handler.
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 Handler. In computing, a handler is a program routine that processes and manages input-output requests or exceptions. It is specifically designed to handle a particular type of event or data, such as an error message or user action. Handlers can be used in various applications to deal with specific tasks or events efficiently and reliably, which makes them crucial for software development. With the help of handlers, developers can create robust and scalable applications that are capable of handling complex tasks efficiently, improving the overall performance and reliability of their software systems.